It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the afternoon edition for Thursday, the 14th of July. I'm James Spann. Got some fairly impressive storms in scattered spots today, and the coverage of the showers and storms will likely be higher tomorrow. Let's take a look. Water vapor satellite view got a series of thunderstorm masses on the western edge of the westerly winds aloft, and one of those affecting North Alabama. That was the radar at 2:30. Big storms lined up from Huntsville down to Addison, Haleyville, Brilliant, Guin. Those are not severe, but like all summer storms do, they're producing a whole lot of lightning, ominous clouds, gusty winds, in some cases some small hail. And those are rolling slowly to the east-southeast. Where the rain is falling, temperatures are in the 70s, like Muscle Shoals and Decatur, but away from those storms, we have mostly low 90s on the board today. Around the nation, up north, it looks good. Temperatures barely out of the 50s in parts of Minnesota on this July day. But across the deep south, kind of hot and muggy. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Got a few scattered pockets where heat advisories are in effect. To the west, there is a severe thunderstorm watch for that little MCS over eastern Oklahoma, about to move into Arkansas until 5 o'clock. That's the overall severe weather risk along a surface boundary across the southern plains, parts of the deep south up into the northeast and Alabama. A slight risk for northwest Alabama, a marginal risk down into south Alabama. And again, main threat, a wet microburst in spots. Tomorrow, risk of severe storms across parts of the deep south and Alabama, about the northern half of the state. Same thing. And again, it's not going to rain everywhere, but some of the storms could be strong with potential for strong gusty winds, maybe some small hail. And on day 3, which is Saturday, no formal risk defined here. Risks to the northeast and well to the north up over the high plains. Average rain for the next 5 days, about 1 inch, valid through Tuesday morning. And the tropics, same old song and dance. Dry air, no problems anytime soon in the Atlantic basin. All right, model fans, here we go. The GFS, the 12Z run, valid tomorrow at 1 o'clock. Look at that trough up north beating down the ridge. And with a weakness in the ridge and a surface boundary to the north, we're expecting scattered to numerous showers and storms and highs in the 80s tomorrow. The GFS at 86, the NAM at 89. Still can't promise rain for everybody, but this will likely be the day with the highest coverage of showers and storms. Saturday, still scattered showers and storms will be around, probably not quite as numerous. A mix of sun and clouds with a high at 90. And Sunday, heat levels creeping up with mid-90s, and storms are still possible in the afternoon, the typical scattered afternoon and evening storms. And next week, the heat levels begin to rise a little bit, probably mid-90s on most days. And again, there could be a storm in spots. That's Monday, and this is Tuesday. No way in advance of knowing much about the storm coverage or placement. Just we're going to roll with a classic summer forecast. Here's Wednesday. Partly sunny, hot, muggy, scattered afternoon and evening storms. And a week from today, Thursday the 21st, a 597 heat bubble west of the state across the nation's heartland. And they'll be baking underneath that thing. And for us, we're kind of on the periphery of that. And again, hopefully that'll keep the nastiest heat north and west of here. Highs mid-90s, maybe upper 90s up in northwest Alabama with a few scattered storms possible. This is the end of the forecast period. Sunday, the 24th. The 594 heat ring getting closer, kind of covers North Alabama. And that looks kind of hot and kind of dry. Check the numbers, pretty similar. The GEFS ensemble showing upper 90s down the line, and pretty much the same thing for the European. It's got us peaking around the 24th and 25th. But clearly some hot summertime weather coming up in the days ahead. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes in the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. If you can't catch us this evening on the live stream or the television side, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.